between PRINCE2 and PMP is one of the biggest decisions project professionals face. Both certifications are highly respected, but they serve different purposes and different career paths. In this video, we'll compare PRINCE2 and PMP, explain their key differences, and help you decide which certification is the best fit for your career in the UK. What is PRINCE2? PRINCE2 is a structured project management methodology. It provides a clear framework for managing projects through defined processes, roles, and governance. PRINCE2 is widely recognized across the UK, particularly in government, the public sector, infrastructure, and organizations that value structured project delivery. What is PMP? PMP, or Project Management Professional, is a globally recognized certification that validates your ability to lead projects across predictive, agile, and hybrid environments. Unlike PRINCE2, PMP is not a methodology. Instead, it assesses your practical project management knowledge and professional experience. It is particularly valued by multinational organizations, consulting firms, financial services, and employers with international operations. Key differences. The biggest difference is their focus. PRINCE2 teaches a structured methodology for delivering projects. PMP validates your competence as an experienced project manager across different delivery approaches. There are also different entry requirements. PRINCE2. Foundation has no formal experience requirements, making it accessible to those starting their careers. PMP requires documented project management experience before you can sit the exam, making it more suitable for experienced professionals. Which certification is best for early career professionals? If you're new to project management, PRINCE2 Foundation is often the more accessible starting point. It provides a recognized qualification that introduces structured project delivery and is highly valued by many UK employers. It can also provide a strong foundation before progressing to more advanced certifications later in your career. Which certification is best for experienced professionals? For professionals with several years of project management experience, PMP can offer greater international recognition. It is particularly valuable if you work for multinational organizations, consultancies, or plan to pursue global career opportunities. Its focus on practical application makes it a strong credential for experienced project leaders. Can you hold both? Absolutely, many senior project professionals choose to hold both PRINCE2 and PMP. Together, they demonstrate knowledge of structured project governance alongside proven project leadership capability. This combination can strengthen your profile across both UK-based and international organizations. How should you choose? Start by considering your current level of experience. Think about the sectors you want to work in. Review job advertisements for your target roles to see which certification employers request most often. If your focus is on UK public sector or government-related projects, PRINCE2 may be the stronger choice. If you're targeting multinational organizations or global career mobility, PMP may offer greater long-term value. Your certification should support not only your next job, but your long-term professional development. Conclusion. There isn't a single winner in the PRINCE2 versus PMP debate. PRINCE2 is an excellent choice for professionals seeking a structured methodology, and strong recognition across the UK. PMP is ideal for experienced project managers looking for global recognition and career mobility. Many professionals ultimately choose both, creating a well-rounded certification profile that supports career progression across multiple industries. The best certification is the one that aligns with your experience, career ambitions, and the organizations you want to work for. Choosing between